guys, here we are back again. Yay, 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 yay. I'm still working in the simple grungy journal. It is simple. They'll be writing, places you can write. And more places to write. We'll decorate that or embellish. I say decorate, but it's embellish. And then here was our quirky snippet, which was kind of cool. Less of a snippet than it was a page trim, but I like it. And then here was our rusty page, and then just a whatever page. I thought that turned out really cute, with all of the shorthand in the leaves. Okay, now we're here, and I got my needle threaded, because what I'm going to do, let me find my needle, is I'm going to weave this trim in and out of, I was going to put it on, I'm going to go in and out of these holes. I was going to try to add it to a piece of lace, but I was concerned that it might not go through the holes. We're going to see. If it doesn't, we don't have to use it. Alright, so we're going to go through here. Okay. Now this will be the tricky part right here. Okay, and then we'll come back up through here. That should be enough. What I would really like to do is hope and pray that it'll go through this lace without too much issue. And I don't know if it will or not, guys. We're going to find out. I didn't think so. Nope. Kinda, but no. We got it on that one, but I don't think we'll get it back down through here without a problem. So I guess what I can do is just, whoa, would you look at that? It did go. Now will it go again and again and again? I think all we're going to do is wind up splitting it, but let's find out. So we're going to keep going, just like we're sewing, right? Just like we're sewing. Until we reach the very top. And that is it for this piece. Oh, I better make sure that goes through the center. And then when we're done, I'll go back through and glue it so I know it stays. It's kind of cool, huh? Come on. Oh, silly. What's going on here? There we go. And we'll come up through here. I know it makes a lot of horrible noises, but really, overall, it's okay. I'm kind of liking it. I may try this again in the future. I just might. Well, I kind of got off of the beaten path, but we got it to go. So you really got to get it in between the two pieces where the lace connects. See, I'll show you maybe if you can see it. I'm going to get rid of this piece because I don't think we're going to need it. See, there's two places there, sorry about the blur, where that lace connects. And that's where I got to get the needle for it to really fit nicely. So all of this to say, when you're creating your journals, it truly is, honestly, whatever it is that pops into your mind is what you should do, right? I think this will look good. Then try it, because if it doesn't look good, you can cover it up start all over, toss it, whatever your heart desires. Okay, and then here, where's our middle? Get it right. There we go. And I still will glue that just in case it decides it wants to unravel on me. I like this. This is cute. I was contemplating whether I should straighten my laces or not, but I think I'm going to leave them as is. And then I think I want to put a button on the end pieces. Oh, that was it. I think I want to come back up through here though. Just so these both end up on the same side. And then I really think I want to put a button on here and here. But I want them to stick up over the top, if that makes sense. Put my needle away, sorry for the reach. Okay, so yeah, I think I want to put a button here and here. So let me see if I can find one real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, let's find us a button. I had some like this and I may use that. I just might. Let's find out. Ooh, 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 look at these. I can get that string through there. I think I'd like to use those. There's several of those. Wow. How about that? Let's see if I can get them to work. Should be using my button tin that I made. That was pretty fun and cool. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy. Let's see, it should go. How should I make it go through there? I should get that needle back again. Wind it up real tight. All I have to do is get it started in that hole. There it goes, right? And then down through this hole. Come on. Look guys, I'm almost there. And then I will glue my edges just in case. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. There we go. And then loosen it. Look at that. Is that not the coolest thing? And then I'll put a little tacky glue under. Well, I'm pleased as punch. I think I want to loosen it up a little so that it actually comes out to the edge. There we go. Like so. Just like that. Let's hope that works. Lay that to dry. And now I get to repeat it on the other side. Maybe this side won't be as difficult. Pretty cool, huh? And I might put some charms on there. I have some really cute gold pine cones somewhere. Truly, truly. All right, come on. Let's see if we can get this to go through here. Yes. And then through here. One more. Boy, that one went so much nicer. Look at that. Okay, we can do it that way. And then we'll glue this piece to there. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. And I hope everybody's doing well. And if I haven't said so lately, I really appreciate all you being here. And if there's something you really want to see, ask. And if I can't do it, I'll tell you who I know that can. Or we'll figure it out together, guys. We're on a mission, right? Just want to learn how to do as much as we can. And it's nice to learn from others. So if I don't know how to do it, I'll tell you if I know of somebody that does. We'll figure it out together. Look at that. And then I know I want to go along this edge right here. And glue that down. And then I want to go here and glue that down. That way it does not in the future have the opportunity to escape. What do you think, guys? Isn't that cute? I mean, it's simple, and that's what it's all about, is just being things that are simple to do. They don't have to be pretty. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to be fun. I'm going to leave it dry on that page. And look, even that side turned out cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So next up, I don't know what we're going to do. But you know how to find out. Stick around and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.